Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to set your username on Telegram. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply head over to your Telegram. So I'm going to click on here. Just like so. As you open up your Telegram, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on this three slider, open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on my profile. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on set username. So right here, it take you right here. What you need to do is to simply enter the name you want to be used as your username and make sure the name is available. Just like so. It's already taking 2025 is available. Once you have the right name available, click on here. It's as simple as that. You have successfully set your username on Telegram. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.